How to fix GTA 5 entry point not found error, easy and quick. If you want to fix this error, it's easy. Just click on your antivirus and then click virus and threat protection. Menu settings, disable real-time protection, yes, and go back. And now after that, all you need to do just right click on GTA 5 and click run as an administrator. And now if that doesn't fix your problem, all you need to do just right click here, open task manager. Now just click memory, and here close all unnecessary applications like Google Chrome, applications that takes a lot of your memory. Click end task, and that's it. Then just try again, and now your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, just come back here to your antivirus, enable it, click turn on, and yes, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.